In this video, we are going to understand the meaning of PowerPivot and how we can add PowerPivot tab in our Excel workbook. First, we will understand PowerPivot meaning, what actually PowerPivot do in Excel. PowerPivot is an Excel add-in we can use to perform powerful data analysis and create sophisticated data model with PowerPivot. We can mash up large volume of data from various sources, perform information analysis rapidly, and share insight easily. So this is the job of PowerPivot, to make difficult job easy. But this powerful tool is not available in all versions of Excel. In front of us one image is there and that tells us in which version PowerPivot available. It is available in Microsoft 365 version. Product with a one-time purchase: Office Professional 2021, Office Home and Business 2021, and so on. These are the list in which PowerPivot is available. In front of us one more image is there that tells us in which version of Microsoft PowerPivot is not available, like Office Professional 2016, Office Home and Student 2013, and so on. These are the list in which PowerPivot are not available. If we have PowerPivot, then we have to add that PowerPivot tab in ribbon over here. Because Microsoft did not give this tab by default. For adding PowerPivot tab, we have to follow certain steps. First, click to File over here. Then we have to click to Option over here, last one. Then new window will appear in front of us. Then we have to click to Add-in option over here. After that, we have to go to Manage section over here, and in that click this down arrow, and now click to Com Add-in, and then click Go. The moment we click Go, new window will appear in front of us. In that we have to click the option called Microsoft PowerPivot for Excel. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, PowerPivot tab came in ribbon over here. Now we can use PowerPivot for our Excel workbook. So like this, we can add PowerPivot tab in our Excel workbook. Check whether your version of Microsoft Office gives you PowerPivot. If yes, then add it in your ribbon. I will see you in next video.